This video will show how to do a simple calculation of energy using specific heat. So specific heat is the amount of heat required to raise 1 gram of a sample by 1 degree Celsius. So in other words, it's the energy associated with the temperature change for a certain amount. We can use dimensional analysis to help us set up calculations with the specific heat to find energy if we have the other needed values. In this particular case, we have a 49 grams sample of iron, and we're warming it up from 21.1 degrees Celsius to 54.2 degrees Celsius. A good place to start with this is that we know that it's going to be the change in temperature that's important, not any of the temperatures themselves. So not the starting or final temperature, but really how much it changed by. So we can start off by calculating that. The delta T, T representing temperature, so this is the change in temperature. It's going to be the difference between the two temperatures. So we'll do final minus initial. And we find that it changes by 33.1 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature change that we would use in a calculation with the specific heat. To find the energy, we can first set this up with the specific heat, changing how it's shown a little bit, because this will show how it fits very well with dimensional analysis. We can show that this is 0.444 joules for every gram and for every degree Celsius. So joules on top and grams and degrees Celsius on the bottom. In order to get to energy, which is measured in joules, we will need to cancel out the gram and degree Celsius parts. Strictly from a dimensional analysis perspective, we can see that that would involve multiplying by something with grams on top, and we happen to know that we have a 49 gram sample. We'll put that over 1 just as a placeholder. We also want to cancel out the degrees Celsius, and we know that this should be the temperature change that we're interested in. So we'll bring in our 33.1 degrees Celsius. Again, degrees Celsius on top, so that the units will cancel, and a placeholder 1 on the bottom. We see that grams cancel, and degrees Celsius cancel, leaving us just with joules. And when we do this calculation with significant figures, the 49 is what limits us to 2 significant figures in this case, we're going to come out to 720 joules. And that'll be our final answer. So this is a process that we can use to solve for energy in a case where we're looking for the energy associated with the temperature change of an object.